Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the Google Flights price graph. The Google Flights price graph visually represents how flight prices change over time, helping users identify the best times to book based on the price trends. It shows whether the current fare is high, low, or average for the selected route and dates. If travel dates are flexible, the graph allows users to explore fare trends by month or week. Here's a more detailed explanation. What the graph shows. First is the price trends, the price levels, flexible dates, price tracking, and many more. Now, if you wanted to use it, access the price graph, interpret the graph, and you can see the identify and the best time to book. You can also track prices, wherein you can set up price tracking for specific flights and dates, receiving emails alerts when the price changes. In essence, the price graph is a valuable tool for making informed decisions about when to book your flights, potentially saving you money by helping you identify the optimal time to purchase your tickets. And that's how Google Flights price graph works. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.